Hello guys, today I would like to introduce the odometer blocker for the Lamborghini Huracan. We will install it and test it together. Let's start. As you know, the blocker should be installed in the place of the main cable of the speedometer. To remove the speedometer, it is necessary to remove the plastic covers around it. We can easily do this with the help of removable tools. They are fixed with clips. After removing the plastic covers, we need to remove the screws. 3 pieces in total, 1 on the front and 2 on the sides. When we pull out the speedometer, remove the main cable and connect it as follows. Blocker blue plug into speedometer main cable plug and white plug into car system main cable, that's all. Now you need to activate the device. Of course, you can do this from the application, which is a simple and convenient way, and also from the steering wheel buttons. Press the menu button for 6 seconds. This particular blocker has a total of 2 modes. Mode 1, the kilometers are stopped at 100%, and Mode 2, the kilometers are counted at 100%. Let's start the test drive. Let's move the odometer to the deactivated blocker and go, you see the odometer counts the mileage. Now let's activate it. See, the odometer has stopped counting mileage. Isn't it cool? If you are interested in this device, you can visit superkilometerfilter.com and select it for your car. Good luck, guys.